Hello to the hockey family. It is Monday, September the 15th. We had a nice weekend here. I know both of us, a lot of time outside. Saturday was nice. Shulks had a little housewarming party. It's nice to get together with everybody.
Nice housewarming party. He made a comment this morning like, is it always that loud? I was like, yes. When you have my kids and your son and Shearsy, some of the other guys and their kids, like, yeah, it's very loud.
Yeah.
My middle child, my boy, kind of par for the course, but I think he was trying to be a ghost, right? So he had the blanket over his head and just full speed right into a wall.
Yeah.
So he's got a nice big welt on his head this morning to show for that effort. But yeah, just a great hangout all around. Yeah, I felt like we needed it. It just seemed like a pretty emotional week last week with 9/11. Then you have this senseless shooting, and just one of those weekends you kind of squeeze your loved ones a little tighter. So
that thump from Nash's noodle, it was solid.
It was loud.
We were all just sitting on the couch watching some football, and all of a sudden it was just one of those whack followed by immediate crying, and we're like, uh-oh.
So, he bounced back though.
Yeah. He was okay, anyways, looking back at last week, some of those preseason meetings we've been having, all have been going very great. It's always nice to catch up with guys, especially, obviously we had some rookie tournaments going on this weekend, and then everybody's reporting to main camp this week. So good luck to everybody as they get going. But yeah, these meetings have been nice. This week, looking ahead, big Fed meeting on Wednesday, right? The market is basically priced in expecting a 25 or a quarter basis point cut on Wednesday.
So looking for 25 basis points. And really the economic data last week all but basically guaranteed it. So last week you get an inflation report, kind of mixed, but so consumer price index roughly in line, and then the producer price index, with the starting with the 2%. So and then you combine that with again some very questionable, not great employment figures. So remember last month's August employment number was not good. And then on Thursday last week, we get initial jobless claims, 263,000 initial jobless claims last week. That was the highest number in 4 years. All right, and we've been kind of hearing in reviews, like just from other, it's like, gosh, the job market seems, everything I look, it looks like it's not great. And we've been kind of waiting for maybe this moment to come. There just comes a point when interest rates are this high for this long, it becomes hard for companies, right? So, widely expected 25 basis point cut, small chance of maybe even a 0.5%, right? So, like, what's the market going to do? Well, if you do get this consensus 25 basis point cut, like that in itself, like shouldn't move markets because the market's already expecting that, right? It's already pricing it. So, if that's the case, the market will most likely move more so based on the Fed's, what they call their dot plot, like where they think their cuts are going to be in the future. And they're always wrong, but it actually moves markets. Should they end up cutting 50 basis points, right? Like that the market isn't expecting that, so that you would think that would move markets higher, but I don't know. We'll see. That's what makes markets fun, and that's why you stay balanced and diversified and rebalance around it.
Absolutely. So again, main camp's opening this week. So for all you guys off to camp, good luck. Excited to get this 25-26 season underway.
Yeah, me too. Have a great week, guys.